Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're talking about a high-fashion brand known for its bold designs, military-style jackets, and celebrity favorite looks, Balmain. But are you pronouncing it the right way? Let's find out. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is Balmain. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is bal, like in balance, but shorter. And the second part is ma, with a soft, nasal French N that you don't fully pronounce. Now say it with me. Balmain. One more time. Balmain. Great job. So where does the name Balmain come from? It's named after Pierre Balmain, a legendary French designer who founded the brand in 1945. He was known for creating elegant, structured designs that defined post-war fashion. Fun fact, today Balmain is led by Olivier Rousteing, one of the youngest creative directors in luxury fashion. He's known for making the brand even bolder, dressing stars like Beyoncé, Rihanna, and Kim Kardashian. Many people say Balmain, pronouncing the N, but in French, the N is silent, so it's Balmain. Now, the next time you talk about high fashion, you can say it like a pro. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves fashion. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.